Starting an LLC in Georgia is a smart way to protect your personal assets and officially launch your business. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can set up your LLC quickly and confidently. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Georgia requires that the name be unique and not already in use by another business. You can check availability on the Georgia Secretary of State's website. Don't forget, your name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. In Georgia, this is done online or by mail through the Secretary of State, and the filing fee is $100. This document officially creates your LLC and establishes it with the state. After filing, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Georgia doesn't legally require one, but having it helps outline how your LLC will be managed, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made among members. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS. It's free and quick to get online, and you'll need it for taxes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Finally, Georgia requires every LLC to file an annual registration to stay in good standing. The fee is $50, and it's due each year by the anniversary of your LLC's formation. And that's it! If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Georgia, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more straightforward business tips.